Hi there. Why do people want to buy real estate? The instant answer is some people think the American dream, or maybe it's financially, I want to build equity. I think it's a little bit more than that. I think it's a combination of both. People want the American dream. They want to own their own home. But a lot of people don't just want to own one home. They want to own lots of homes. They want that rental income. I want to tell you a quick story. We recently had a person who purchased a 4-unit property, and they did exactly what I'm talking about. Purchased a 4-unit property. They lived in one, got rental income on the other 3. Not only did they get the rental income, but they used the estimated rental income to be able to help qualify for that purchase. So think of that. Renters you don't have, income you don't have, being able to help you on a purchase right now. In addition to that, the home wasn't move-in ready. So they got renovation funds to be able to put that property and all the units in the shape that they wanted. So you get a fully renovated property. You get rental income to help you qualify. On top of that, they only put 3.5% down. How do you beat that? Anyhow, the American dream is definitely alive and well. Let me know if you have questions about these renovation type programs, and I'd be happy to help. Take care.